Today I'll be showing you how to make this flower which is in the Kpop Hunter bracelet. So for that I have taken two colored strings. One is purple, one is light blue, and I have taken pins. Now frankly speaking, I would advise you all to take the board pins because they fall easier to pin them into place. Basically now once I separate them, I'll work on the blue string. So as you see that I have placed the pins, place it in the same manner. I have kept the video on normal mode so you all can follow the steps easily, and even if you miss it you can just rewind it and continue from there. So you'll have to make this W like looking design at the start in this way that you see. The remaining part of the string you will just leave it as it is. So when you work on this thing, see that you leave enough of the string because else it will fall short. Now as you can see from the second string underneath, I have taken the tweezers and from the last string underneath, and then I will be pulling that same blue string in a U format in this way. Can you see? Yeah. Now tweezers will help you. If you have plastic needles, that also will help you to pass the string in this way. Once I'm done with this, the same way I will take it a second time in a U shape. You can even put the video on slow mode and follow each step. It's very simple. Once you are done forming this design, see that you place your pin so that the string remains in place. And the last bit, just leave it loose. Now it's time to work on a purple string. So for now, I will just pull the string right towards the end, and then straight I will pull it outwards. So from the last string that you see on the side, I will pull it underneath the string in this way. So basically from the last string it will go underneath all the strings like this. Pull all the extra string that you have because we just need a single length of the string. Once I am done pulling that bit, I will straighten up the string and again place a pin. Ensure to place a pin each time. Again I'm going to turn my string and taking it above, from the middle again I will pull it from inside. So from the top I take it above and from the middle I pull it from the inner side underneath, and again you place your pins to keep it in place. Now from the first curve side itself you will start pulling the thread upwards, and then you see we skip two and under the next two we take the string. Even while I am bringing it out from the opposite direction to make a turn, I am pulling it from underneath the two, taking it above the blue first string, second, third and fourth string, that is blue and two purple. I am taking it from underneath like this. And that's it. I will straighten it up. With the help of fine tweezers, straighten it up. So this is how it should be once straightened, and even on the last blue string I will take it from underneath. See, like this. pause the video, friends, in case if you all need to do this step by step, because it will take time. Now skipping the first U shape, from the second gap I will start taking it from underneath the first string like this, then leaving one blue string and the two purple strings, I will take it from the underneath of the blue string which is on top. Do you see that? Then we move forward. Okay, I just pinned it up, and then we make a curve. After that, pulling the string that we are working on from underneath the two purple strings like you see in the video, and then in the middle two purple strings again I will, and the blue string, sorry, I will pull it. The top blue string will remain as it is. You will not take it from under that. From the second blue string you will take it underneath, and then the two purple underneath, then above the second last blue string okay. Now once I'm done with this, I will slowly start removing the pins. Yes, this is done already. The flower formation will take place now once you pull the side petals that you see. So the three purple color curves that you see on this end and three blue color curves that you see on the other end, we just pull the curves in this way, side to side. Opposite curves we pull just like this, not too hard, softly just pull till we tighten up the middle square shape that we have. It is in a form of a rhombus in the middle, so you just have to tighten it up like this, and as you tighten it up you will see the shape being formed. Okay, so there. Don't worry about the petals being too long. I will show you what you can do after that. First we have to concentrate on the middle bud area, that it becomes smaller. So now you see, from a big size we made it smaller, and now to adjust the petals you will just simply start pulling the internal strings like this. Slowly, one by one you will start pulling. You will realize where it is tightening up from, and keep adjusting accordingly. See, the purple color is done. Now we'll do the blue color side. It's like as you fix your sports shoelace, right, or even your formal ones, it's in the same way that this runs. You just fix them by pulling each string one by one, and you will know what actually tightens up when you pull that bit of string. And then just see that towards the end you pull it out. Now to work on the middle area, just use some fine instrument, because else it will get spoiled. You get special threads which are nylon like to work on these kind of designs. They are easy to play around with, to move around with, but I have used woolen thread and it worked fine, but I feel a nylon thread would be better. So friends, let me know in the comments how easy you all found this flower making thing of the K-pop Hunters movie bracelet. And if you are new out here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.